Zodiac again, he's sweeping up the game. He might do some fixing.
I shall now do some marking out.
Not going on YouTube here.
Look at this.
It needs a bit of fruit strength, this does. It's a sensation. It's massive. Think of all them Yankees wanting us to do the job properly.
This big crawling over like a rat. Say hello to all your fans, George.
Yosy, yosy, yosy. My colleague Michael would like the bar. All you've got to do now is the Harlem Shuffle off the edge. I'm joking.
Taking all this video evidence, no goggles, no fucking gloves.
It's a long way down.
Oh, George is having to go up sweeping up for a change.
This is my job now. We can all use it, bro.